Hello, I'm Ohio Governor Mike DeWine. Ohio has a proud tradition as a manufacturing leader. For generations, the Made in Ohio stamp has stood for quality and excellence. Today, Ohio manufacturing is responsible for about 17% of Ohio's gross domestic product and contributes to the quality of life in our state by providing about 700,000 jobs for Ohio workers and an annual payroll of $43 billion. According to the most recent figures by the Ohio Manufacturers Association, our state exports about $53 billion in products a year to 211 countries and territories. And even with all this activity, Ohio manufacturers are working to provide a safer environment through decreased emissions and increased recycling. We're proud of our manufacturers. Usually to celebrate them, the Lieutenant Governor and I recognize Manufacturing Day on the first Friday in October, and we do this by visiting companies and learning more about their amazing work and their outstanding products. This year, however, concerns about COVID-19 have prevented our usual celebration and our usual tours. We would like, though, to express our gratitude and admiration to our manufacturers for everything they have done to meet the needs of Ohioans during this pandemic. Last year on Manufacturing Day, I had the pleasure of touring Juergens Inc. in Cleveland, which has been making tooling products for other American manufacturers since 1941. I was not surprised that when the pandemic hit, Juergens stepped up to help when the company received an urgent request for respirator parts and tools. They reacted immediately. They adjusted their process in order to fulfill the orders quickly and efficiently, all the while providing for the health and safety of their own workers. This strong commitment to our state and nation has played out again and again during this crisis. So many of our great manufacturers have looked for ways to help, have volunteered time and resources, and have provided for their employees and also have made us so very, very proud. When we put out a statewide call for help supplying personal protective equipment for our healthcare workers earlier this year, the Ohio Manufacturers Association, along with the Ohio Hospital Association, the Ohio Developmental Services Agency, the Ohio Department of Administrative Services, and Jobs Ohio, all formed the Ohio Manufacturing Alliance to fight COVID-19. The group immediately got to work, coordinating with manufacturers throughout the state to produce the needed PPE. We also saw manufacturers make temporary shifts in production to make PPE, while others made the new production part of their business model. The Alliance continues to connect our manufacturing community to the resources it needs and other businesses so that they can supply more PPE. Since April, the state of Ohio has purchased more than 1 million cotton masks, more than 1 million face shields, and more than 500,000 gowns produced by the Ohio Manufacturing Alliance and its partners right here in Ohio. So on this special day, I'd like to thank our Ohio manufacturers for their dedication and for the vital work they do all year long to keep Ohio strong. Thank you so very much.